Hey guys, Walt with US Turf here again. Today we're going to be going over synthetic grass installations when you have pets that are not only going to be playing on the area, but also going to be using the area to go to the bathroom. But when it comes to caring for artificial turf for dogs, there's a couple main things that you want to remember. First off, when the dog goes to the bathroom, you want to let it dry and then go back through and pick it up. It's going to be a little bit easier to handle that way and make sure that it doesn't stay lingering on the grass. The second thing is that after the dogs go to the bathroom out there, you do want to go back and rinse the grass using some type of liquid enzyme cleaner. Two that we like are PE51 and ProVet Logic. Both are very effective. They're both also safe for not only pets but children as well, which is why we like to use them. But when it comes to selecting your artificial turf for pet areas, you want to make sure that it has a proper drainage system on it. We recommend 45 inches per yard per hour or greater to make sure that as the dogs go to the bathroom, it drains very rapidly. The last thing that you want to really keep in mind is that the infill that you're using needs to be pet friendly. You want to stick away from your rubber crumb and your silica sand and stick with something like Zeofill, Zeolite, EnviroFill, or T-Cool. A lot of times with natural grass in the backyard, you run into a lot of long-term maintenance issues. With the synthetic grass, you're not constantly having to replace those brown patches. The synthetic grass not only looks fantastic, but it also prevents that long-term maintenance. It's going to hold up really well over the long period. All right guys, thanks again for stopping in to this US Turf video. We hope that you got some good information out of it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video below and stick around for more additional content.